how to launch Shopify video ads that actually convert in 2025. So I'm going to tell you how to launch Shopify video ads that actually convert in 2025. The first step is to keep your videos short, between 15 to 30 seconds works best because people scroll fast. Focus on showing your product in action right away instead of long intros. Use clear captions since most users watch without sound. And add a strong call to action like shop now or get yours today. Or find what's really working. You can check ad libraries like Meta Ads Library or use tools like AdSpy to study successful campaigns. Once you launch, don't just let the ad run. Test different versions of your thumbnail, copy, and audience targeting to see what sticks. Keep in mind Shopify integrates directly with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, making setup smoother. And remember, the ads that perform best are the ones that solve a problem or make life easier for your audience.